Hello and welcome. So now I'll be reviewing the 51cm AK47 bayonet. So it is actually 51 centimeters. This is not leather. It's a bit dusty, sorry. Okay, and let's pull out the blade. So it looks very nice. It's sort of like a machete. Well, you can use it in the same way you would use a machete. So let's test if it's really 51 centimeters. It's not a perfect way to measure, but okay, you can say it is almost exactly, specifically 51 centimeters. I would go with 50, but okay. Let's stick with 51. Slightly more than half a meter. Okay. So, of course, this is not leather. It just looks like it, but that's fine. I paid mine around 25 bucks, or maybe closer to 20 bucks, 2,500 Serbian dinars. Okay, and I also paid the delivery like 3 bucks, I guess. So overall, for such a small amount of money, the knife slash machete slash short sword, I guess, it's okay. It's not bad. So I haven't really tested it much. I cut some bushes while I was hunting and it's okay. So that's why I compared it to a machete. But I don't think it can be used too much or for too long. It doesn't seem to have the quality for that. Okay, so yeah, this is of course the bayonet part, this hole, and of course this thing right here. Focus, focus. Okay. Okay, now you're focused, good. So I don't think you would actually go ahead and put this thing on a rifle, AK-47 or otherwise, because it's too damn long. It's better used as a machete. Okay. The handle, well, I'm not a very big guy. I'm average Serbian height, 1.83 centimeters, but as you can see, my hand can fit the handle, but barely. It seems like there's a lot of room left, but when you're swinging it, it's not very comfortable. And it's wood, so it can get slippery. But I only hunt during late autumn, fall, or winter, the entire winter, so sweating won't be a problem. Sometimes it is, sometimes even winter days can be warm nowadays, I guess. But okay, if you're using this during summer or spring even, yeah, sweating's gonna be a huge problem, so this thing will be very slippery. So it looks nice. I don't think this is actual wood, just, looks like wood, but either way, even if it is, it doesn't matter, it's still slippery. Okay, let's see how long the blade is. Ooh. Okay. I would say 38, 39 centimeters. 39. Maybe we can circle it around to 40, but maybe not. 39 centimeters for the blade, 51 for the whole thing. So do the math on the handle. 51 minus 39 is 12. So this thing is 12 centimeters. Although I guess we can take 1 centimeter off because of this. I think it's around 1 centimeter. So the handle is like 11 centimeters. Not all of which is usable because of this. The beak, I guess. So yeah, this is how much room you have for the handle. If you're a big guy, this handle will be too small for you. Okay, this thing? Well, it has a belt buckle, of course. You can wear it around your belt, or on your belt actually, sorry. And of course there's this thing to close it down. Again, not actual leather. It's just by touching it you can feel that, but it's good enough. For the money it's good enough. It will do its job, I guess. Not really much else to say about it. Okay. So when it comes to using it, well, how sharp it is. When I bought it, it wasn't very sharp, but I sharpened it. And nowadays, I guess it can cut through a melon. If you wanted to do a sharpness test, well, it's either too late or too early for melons in Serbia, so I can't do that. And I'm currently in my apartment, so I can't really cut through anything other than paper. So let's do the paper test. Let's see. It did more tearing than cutting, but okay. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Let's try it with the new paper. Test number 2. Test number 2. I sharpened it well. Okay, so you can see it. I don't know. Okay, I'm crouching. I'm 35, almost 35. I'm not made for crouching. But okay, I'd say it's pretty sharp. Again, I sharpened it. It wasn't like this when I bought it. But I think that depends on the place where you buy it. I think when this thing comes out of the factory, it's probably pretty damn sharp, like most, if not all, knives, blades, I guess. So, yeah, good enough. I'll probably sharpen it again when the hunting season comes. Overall, I'd give it 7 out of 10. The price is cheap. For that price, sure, 7 out of 10. If you want something high quality, you're gonna have to pay more than this. It's not a high quality product, so it's cheap. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all the typical stuff you've heard a million times before, and tell me, what do you want to see next?